In this recipe, we're going to create an NPS survey so we can find out how users are really feeling about your app. First up, from the microsurveys page, we're going to add our microsurvey. We're going to pick NPS as the template and we're going to confirm there. From there, we'll start to build our microsurvey. We'll head over into your environment that you want to build the microsurvey in, and we'll start to play around with the position on page. I want to make it so it's visible but not intrusive. After that, let's keep it on brand. We're going to add our brand colors to the background, and we can even go and customize the fill, the border of the buttons, and the text. From there, we want to edit the NPS survey, so it's going to trigger at a certain point. Here, let's pick 15 minutes. So when someone's actively using your app, they will see the survey pop up. We're going to go deeper into segmentation later, but for now, let's make sure that this NPS is relevant to your brand. We don't want it to talk about the demo environment, we're going to add Chameleon here. Next, we're going to have some fun with some customization based upon what people have responded to your NPS. Here you can edit the body text to respond to the rating they gave you. So if they're a detractor, well, we want to find out more. What happened there? We're sorry to hear that. We can even go on to add a button action. So if someone's not happy, we can give them the option to schedule a meeting or even start a live chat with Intercom. Now, on the other hand, if you've got a promoter, let's see what we can do here. Of course, we want to celebrate that people have given you a great score. So we'll add a little woohoo in here and ask for further feedback again. Now, similarly to the detractors, we can add a button action here. And here it might be we want them to leave a G2 review, for example. So we could get the button to open up a URL when clicked. At the end, don't forget to say thank you. You can add a little message here to thank people for their time. And all of this data is going to be recorded back over in your dashboard. Now, after you've created the microsurvey, we need to choose where it's going to go live. You might want to put it in staging, you might want to prepare it for the QA team, but here, let's put it on staging. Now we're going to get deeper with our segmentation. Who's this going to show to? Well, we want it to be active users, so let's say people who have come back in the last 2 months. We want it to repeat, but we don't want it to repeat every time, so we'll pick every quarter here. And for publishing, we're not quite ready for it today. Let's go for a Monday. That sounds good. When people are just on after having their coffee. And we're going to launch it for 2 months. We're going to check back on it after that set time, and we're going to leave a little note to the team so they know what's going on here. After that, you're all set to go. You can confirm, and you can see here that it's set to publish on January 30th.